Hello, this is George Senda, the real, original, authentic, official, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. And this is Berg Unboxing, and I've already opened the envelope. And this comes from China, and I did not order this, and I thank the person who sent this very cute item. And what it is a kitty. And it is a kitty. Open him up. Kitty tape dispenser with a kitty on each side and a black kitty, which makes it even more special. There it is. You can see the tape. And so I thank the person who sent this. I did not buy this, but it's very cool and I like it. The problem is I'm running out of room for all this stuff. Boy, I wish I had a house. I could have a really big table and all the little tchotchkes could go on the table. Hope one day to be back in my back bedroom doing videos so I can have a little more room. Okay, the tape kind of tore. So there it is. It's ready to go. Kitty cat. Very dubious looking kitty cat. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's very cute. And he's on both sides, so he's telling you that, why am I on this thing? But I like it. It goes with the other kitty. Remove my inhalers. And getting cat stuff all over the place here. Inundated by cat food, cat litter. Uh-oh. This came off. Hold on. The little wooden spool came out. Well, if I ever get to find a plastic one of the same vintage, or not vintage style, I guess. See if I can get something a little wider. Yeah, it's just not, it's not staying in there well. Oh, that's why. They got grooves in the wood, and there it went on the floor. They got little grooves in the wood there to hold it in. But it's not doing the greatest job. Well, when things open up again, I'll see about going to Home Depot, and maybe I can get some kind of stop or rubber thing that I can put this on it. Yeah, it just doesn't want to stay in there. People design things, I don't think they really test them out first. They just, let's come up with an idea, but they don't do any play testing, not the word product testing. Yeah, this one side, oh, I know what they did. They cut the wood too deep. The one side, it's stopping it, and the other side, it's tilted. And I don't know if you can see that, but it's going too far. And I can get a block of something and fix that, but it's not going to stay in very well. But it's still neat. Yeah, now it's trying to do it on the other side. So they cut the groove too big, is what it is. The minute the weight of the tape hits it, it doesn't want to stay. And there, the whole thing goes now. So yeah, it just doesn't. Yeah, they cut it either too long or the dowel is too short. Because even with the tape off, it's cockeyed. So good idea, bad execution. But I'll deal with it when I get a chance. And now I've sealed the tape up. Well, I'll just put it, it'll look cute anyway. But someone didn't test this before they made it. Because it really doesn't want to stay in there. Maybe I can Let's see. Hold on. I was thinking maybe I could. Well, that seemed to have worked. Pressing one side. I'll have to make a groove for the one hole. And there it goes. I pressed it one side and I got it to work. Okay. It's staying in now. Okay. Very cute item. Thank you, whoever sent this. Very appreciated. Sorry it took so long, but I have to deal with my eyes where I can't see small stuff up close. But I got it to work. So I'll undo the tape later. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. Very warm and muggy here in Martinez. It's 14 minutes 6. So stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay warm and dry and cool and dry, or cool and dry, and stay safe. Bye bye for now. This has been Bergen Boxing number 2. Bye bye.